Welcome to Thena's channel. This is Kiddy Kitty Court House, a home designed by Cosman Architecture, located in Moonee Ponds, Australia. The house beautifully merges modern and traditional elements, featuring a clean white facade that contrasts with its gabled roof. A glazed link connects the old and new sections, creating a harmonious transition. Fern-filled courtyards provide privacy and natural light. In this cozy living room, laughter fills the air as children play. The modern design blends seamlessly with nature, creating a warm haven. Soft light filters through glass walls, illuminating every corner. Memories are made here, where family bonds grow stronger. This charming room welcomes you with soft pink hues and elegant arches, creating a dreamy atmosphere. Cozy chairs invite relaxation, while the warm fireplace promises comfort. Sunlight dances through windows, casting golden beams that transform the space into a serene retreat. A serene oasis unfolds, where nature meets modernity. Every corner of this enchanting home tells a story. Warm terracotta tiles underfoot guide you through the inviting entrance, leading to a vibrant orange door that hints at adventure. As you ascend the graceful staircase, its white railing and wooden steps create a harmonious blend of modern elegance and rustic charm. Sunlight filters through the slats, casting playful shadows that dance across the walls. At the top, a skylight reveals a breathtaking view of the tiled roof, connecting you to the world outside. The soft glow illuminates the space, highlighting lush green plants that add a touch of nature's serenity. This modern kitchen embodies elegance and functionality. Sleek white cabinets and terrazzo countertops exude sophistication, while mosaic tiles add a touch of charm. Natural light floods in through the large windows, illuminating vibrant fruits on the island. Open shelving showcases decorative items, creating a cozy atmosphere. Outside, lush greenery provides a serene backdrop, making every meal preparation a delightful experience. A seamless blend of indoor and outdoor living defines this modern sanctuary. The sleek dining table invites gatherings, complemented by vibrant yellow flowers that add a pop of color. Large glass doors open to reveal a cozy living area with plush seating and artistic decor. Sunlight streams in, casting warm hues across the polished floor. The staircase leads to new adventures, promising endless possibilities. This serene bedroom is a haven of tranquility and elegance. The arched doorway beckons exploration, leading to a bathroom where lush greenery peeks through the window. In another room, sunlight streams through windows, illuminating a child's play area filled with toys and books. This is a space for both rest and creativity, where every corner tells a story of comfort and joy. A sense of calm envelopes this elegant bathroom. The soft blue sink and tiles create a soothing retreat, while a frosted window allows natural light to dance across the space. A delicate plant enhances the peaceful ambience, adding a touch of life. In another corner, a sleek mirror reflects the minimalist design, with a round lamp casting a gentle glow.